And sometimes if you don't have compressed air, if there were a brush here, you could brush the chips away and see what
Let's see
you
one.
do.
Joe, you grab that brush.
What is it?
That brush right there?
Yeah.
So you lower down just a little bit and run the length of the spot each time.
If you once you know the materials and the you might be able to go all the way through in one pass, but one thing about aluminum is it depends what type of aluminum. Extruded aluminum tends to be soft and it's harder to machine actually than harder aluminum.